Hello students. So today we will try to solve this problem of electrostatics. This is from the chapter electric field and charges. So let us read what is the question and we will try to solve it. तो हम देखते हैं कौन सा चैप्टर है, इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक्स है और इसमें क्वेश्चन जो है वो हम पढ़ के देखते हैं क्या है. क्वेश्चन है अ पार्टिकल ए having a charge of 2 microcoulomb, 2 into 10 to the power minus 6 coulomb, is held fixed on a horizontal table. A second charged particle of mass 80 grams. So you can see that what data is given. So what is the data given? So you underline it. So mass of particle is 80 grams. Stay in equilibrium. So what is equilibrium? We will also discuss it. Equilibrium on the table at a distance of 10 centimeter. At a distance of 10 centimeter from the first charge. First charge is this. This is the first charge. And this is the second charge. This is second charge. 80 gram charge is second charge. The coefficient of friction between the table and this second particle is 0.2. Mu is given 0.2. So what we have to find? We have to find the range within which the charge of this second particle lies. आपको एक पार्टिकल पहले से गिवन है, जो ए पार्टिकल है, जो टेबल पर पहले से ही फिक्स्ड है. इट इज नॉट मूविंग एंड इट्स चार्ज इज ऑल्सो गिवन एंड इट्स चार्ज इज 2 microcoulombs. So let us see by using some diagram. Okay, suppose this is a table. Table can be of any shape. I am taking rectangular table. Suppose here a charge is fixed at this point A. Okay, and this charge is 2 microcoulombs. Solution. 1 microcoulomb means 10 to the power minus 6 coulombs. 1 microcoulomb का मतलब होता है 10 की power minus 6 coulomb. So 2 microcoulomb means 2 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 6 coulombs. इसको हमने इस टेबल पर फिक्स किया हुआ है. दिस इज फिक्स्ड. ये यहां से मूव नहीं कर सकता. This is fixed. Each and every detail must be written before solving the problem. Each and every data should be written and observed very carefully.